What's up, family? I'm so excited for today's video because of the person that I am speaking about today. Oh my god, I don't even want to like waste time or anything. I'm just so excited to get into the details of today's video because this person is so empowering, and just her personality, her charisma, everything about this lady is just beautiful, and the energy that she brings into the universe, and just whenever she speaks and just wherever, okay, whenever she's on my social media page, I'm just like, yes, yes. And the person I'm talking about is Miss Tracee Ellis Ross. So she dropped some new pattern beauty on us, okay? Pattern beauty. Pattern beauty. Pattern beauty. Pattern beauty. So yes, I ordered, of course, and supported, okay, because I had to, and my package arrived yesterday, I believe. So I am so excited to dig into this box. So let's go ahead and do that because I ain't even gonna waste no time.
It's the way, the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you, it's the way that you talk, way that you walk, way that you, way that you talk.
Alright, so yeah, this box is from Pattern Beauty. I bought this as soon as it launched. I had to support, okay? 9 a.m. sharp. I was on that website and I got my goods. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got once I open it. Okay. So let's pull this out the way. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first thing, as soon as you unbox it, you have a little pattern card that has Tracee's face on it, and also what pattern means and why she called it Pattern Beauty. So it says, a pattern is not just the way your hair looks, it's the way it feels. We will meet your hair where it is and empower your curl pattern. We will give you access to your best curls in your own bathroom or someone else's. We promise to nourish your hair and cherish your health to help keep your hair healthy, hydrated, juicy, and joyful. May our hair live its best life. By purchasing Pattern products, you're helping to support organizations and programs that empower women and people of color. Learn more at patternbeauty.com. Thank you for shopping at patternbeauty.com. So if you've never gone on the website, a thing that was super cool and that stood out to me was whenever you go to purchase a product, they have these words that are highlighted in yellow, and whenever you hover over them, it gives you a definition of them. So she has like a definition for like joyful, for juicy, for porosity, all that kind of stuff, but it's cute definitions that fit Tracee's personality. So let's keep digging into the package. So my package is like this. And then I'm gonna rip this on open. So I got the deluxe bundle package because I wanted it all. And by the time I bought what I wanted, I was gonna be to pay more money than this package. So the total of my package was, I think it was like 104 or something like that. And I got 8 items. So yeah, I think it was like 104. So the items that I got, oh, these are some big items. So I got the Pattern Hydration Shampoo. Does it fit? I saw Tracee do this. So the shampoo, and then the leave-in conditioner, and then the heavy conditioner. I'm so happy that I got the heavy one because my hair is thick. So it's for coilies. And then I got a jojoba oil hair serum. This is a nice size bottle of jojoba oil. And then, oh my god, I'm so happy to get this brush. It resembles a dimming brush, and it helps to detangle and help curls find each other. So yes, this is the brush that it came with. So it looks very much so like a dimming brush. and it has pattern on it as well. And then we got a hair clip, one of the old school hair clip thingies, and also a towel, a microfiber towel. So I was so excited to get this towel. Oh wait, there's a face on this one too. So let's go and put these to use. I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna go ahead and demo all these products today for you guys. So let's go ahead and hop in the shower.
Give me that. Camera shots today. One on one.
Okay, beautiful people. So first I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair. Make sure it is drip, okay? Because your girl's hair was pretty dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and just wet it, of course. And then I just wanted to point this out to y'all. The shampoo is smaller than the conditioner. The conditioner is bigger, y'all. The normal size. Tracee knows us naturals, so she gave us a bigger conditioner. I really appreciate that tip. Not tip, but I really appreciate that fact. So I went ahead and clamped my hair with the Pattern Beauty clamp, and now I'm going to apply that shampoo just to my roots, or that was the point at first. Didn't really go that well, but I applied the shampoo, and then I'm going to go ahead and massage that into my roots, of course, and make sure that my roots are clean. Then bring that on down to the rest of my hair, as I always do, and just make sure that I am massaging my hair with the thumbs, like the soft part of my fingers, and not my nails, because I don't want to like disturb my scalp or anything. So you just want to get a good massage in with your soft part of your finger. Not sure what it's called, but yes, that part. And just back to this conditioner real quick. The size of it, y'all. The size of the conditioner, when I first noticed it when I was in the shower, I was like, yo, this conditioner is not even a larger size. It's the only size that it came in for the normal size, like the full size product, and it's bigger than the shampoo. And I feel like that was so important, because us as naturals, we see how our hair needs more conditioner, right? So anyway, this is what my hair is looking like with the shampoo completely out, nice and defined. My hair was not stripped at all, so I did like that shampoo, and I saw Tracee do that, so I have to do it as well. Now onto this conditioner, y'all. Look at this consistency. Look how thick this conditioner is. I don't know why I poured so much, but I was just shocked. Like, look at how thick, y'all. It never unclumped. Like, that's how thick that. Like, that's how thick this conditioner was, okay? I will say that although it was so thick coming out that bottle, when I put it on my hair, it had a good amount of slip. And as you can also see right now, I used way too much conditioner, but I kind of got excited when I saw, or not excited, but I got surprised when I saw how thick it was, so I kept pouring it. But the conditioner has a good amount of slip to it, y'all. Like, this is the one for heavy. Like, this is the heavy conditioner for coily, so I'm not sure if all of them are like this or just this one. I'm sure it's just this one, but I did like that for sure. So here's the brush, Pattern Beauty, and now I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair all the way with that brush. Make sure that it's nice and detangled. I will say this brush is very much so like a Denman, and I really did appreciate that, because sis needed a new Denman, and got my ends right, okay? My ends were, okay, snatched, yes. So I went ahead and detangled my entire hair with this brush. I did not use a comb first. I just used this brush first. And look at them curls, y'all. Okay? And then I'll go ahead and just wrap that section up. And I'll listen to music, y'all, so that's why I'm like bouncing like that and everything. So then I just wanted to show y'all once again how defined this brush got my hair. Like, yeah. And of course I still use too much conditioner, but anyway. So yeah, I did like that conditioner a lot. I love the slip and everything. So, whoop. And let me go and finish the rest of my head. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like, y'all. Now I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes as the bottle says. And here we are after 10 minutes. Let's check out these results. My hair was so soft, y'all. Like, It felt really, really good. I feel like that conditioner did really, really well on my hair. Like, I'm so happy that Tracee got this right, girl, because whew, I love me some Tracee, and these products were really, really good. So now I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out, and you guys are going to see just how defined my hair is, okay? Like, my hair was so defined after, like look at it. Look at it, y'all. It was so, so, so defined. So, love that for sure. I also wanted to mention really quickly that I feel like Tracee came out with the wash products because, you know, she doesn't do a lot for her, like, to her hair. Like, she likes the natural look, like just let it air dry, seems like, which it looks beautiful on her. But I feel like that's why she has not come out with the styling products yet. Just my thoughts or whatever, because the shampooing, everybody shampoos, but the style, you really have to go deeper into like everyone's strands. And if she's not really a styling person, so I like her authenticity with this line and how it matches her as of right now. So this is what my hair looks like right now after I rinsed that conditioner out. Loving it, okay? So I also decided to demo the leave-in conditioner for you guys, and the consistency of this one was much, much more liquidy, which I am happy about because that means the slip is there and it's going to moisturize my hair and really seep into my strands as a good leave-in conditioner. So when I applied this to my hair, y'all, it had a lot of slip and really like immediately defined my curls even more. As you guys can see right here, it was just amazing. I really did like that leave-in conditioner. If I had to pick a favorite product, it would be that leave-in conditioner because I feel like it works for any hair type, honestly, because of the amount of slip that it has and also how moisturizing it is. So that's really my full review of this entire line, y'all. Tracee, you did your thing. I absolutely love this line. I am so happy I was able to try it. I did buy these products with my own money, of course, and I just wanted to demo this for you guys. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Have you tried it? Are you going to try it? And I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye, fam. Mwah.